In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add overlay in CapCut. We're going to create a clean Facecam overlay on top of your main footage, using CapCut on either the web or the mobile desktop app. The interface may look a little different depending on your device, but the workflow is the same. Start by opening CapCut and creating a new project. Before importing anything, choose the 16:9 canvas. This widescreen aspect ratio is perfect for YouTube and most landscape videos, and it ensures that your overlay will land exactly where you expect. If your project is already open, you can still switch to 16:9 in the canvas or project settings, but we'll stick with 16:9 from the start. Now, upload your primary video. This is your main footage, and it will sit on the base timeline track. Once it's in, give it a quick play to make sure the audio and visuals look right. Think of this as your foundation. Everything else you add will sit on top of it. Next, upload a second video that includes your face. This clip will become the overlay. After it appears in your media panel or timeline, click on that face video to select it. With it selected, choose Overlay. This moves the clip onto the overlay track, which lets it float above the main video. Position the overlay in the bottom right corner. You can drag the clip in the preview window and resize it by pulling the corners until it feels balanced. Keep it large enough to be visible, but small enough that it doesn't block important content like captions or key visuals in your main footage. To make the overlay look polished, apply a mask. With the overlay selected, click Mask, then choose Circle. This instantly rounds the edges for a clean, modern Facecam look. Adjust the mask to taste. Resize the circle so your face is centered, and use the feather or softness control to blur the edge slightly. A subtle feather helps the overlay blend naturally without harsh borders. Reposition the circle in the bottom right again if needed after resizing. Finally, adjust the overlay's duration and timing so it appears exactly when you want it. Trim the start or end on the overlay track to match your main video and preview your edit. If anything looks off, tweak the size, feathering, or placement until it feels just right. And that's it. Your Facecam overlay is set in CapCut. Save your project, and you're ready to share.